What you want, what you need, hair on fleek, come see me. What you want, what you need, your face beat, Princess Reese.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this tutorial is going to be a hair and makeup tutorial. So I made these clip-ins which came out so freaking cute. So basically here I'm just showing you guys how I made the clip-ins. I basically took these tracks out of old wigs that I had, and I got all of my supplies from the beauty supply store. And right here, I'm literally just like sewing the clips onto the tracks. Honestly, guys, I'm not a professional, so it looked a little sloppy, but it still got the job done. To save me some time and create the highlighted dimensional look, I went onto the track with some hair glue, and I'm now putting on this platinum blonde track that I also got from an old wig, and I just glued it together. Here, I'm just cutting off the excess lace and the excess strings. Here, I'm just repeating the same steps over to my second clip-in. So I just applied one track to each side, and I covered the tracks with my hair, made sure to get it really nice and blended. Here, I'm using my Beach Waver curling iron to create these cute curls. I do have a code for this curling iron and any other Beach Waver product, so make sure you shop using my code at checkout. Yeah, so I'm just gonna be doing my makeup today. Let's get right into the tutorial. I'm gonna do like a neutral look today. I'm gonna use the new Urban Decay Wild West palette, which is like so bomb. I literally just got this in the mail yesterday. It has like the neutrals, it has like two blue colors, like gold, bronze, like it's really cute. So I'm excited to see what look I create, because I'm gonna like try to challenge myself and just like do my entire eyeshadow with this palette. So with that being said, let's get right into the tutorial. So I'm just buffing in that eyeshadow primer all over my lid. For my transition shades, I'm using Ghost Town and the color Spur. Using my Morphe brush, I'm buffing in that shadow into my crease. And as always, I'm going to link the brushes and all products in the description box below. Next, I use the color Whiskey to deepen my crease. I then decided that I wanted to do a cut crease, so I went in with my e.l.f. Tan Sand Concealer and created this cut crease. I'm applying this eyeshadow using tapping motions to make sure that the cream color really pops. Using my favorite gel liner, I'm going to create a wing. Next, I went over the eyeliner with Whiskey. Now I'm just cleaning up my wing with a eyeliner brush. I mixed NARS Marquises and Macao to create my perfect foundation shade. To conceal, I am using my e.l.f. Tan Sand Concealer and my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn. I'm going in with the Tan Sand Concealer first to really get that bright under eye color. To contour, I'm using the Anastasia foundation stick in the color Earth. Using my damp beauty blender, I'm just blending it all together. Now going in with the same foundation brush, I'm blending in my contour into my highlight. Recently, I have been preferring to blend out my nose contour with a smaller brush. To set my highlight, I'm going in with my Sacha Buttercup setting powder. To define the wing a little bit more, I went back over it with Whiskey one more time. Now going in with my Morphe 8R palette, I'm going to contour and bronze all over my face. I wanted to do a white waterline, so I'm using my NYX Epic Wear eyeliner in the color Pure White. For my lips, I'm using the Kiss Luxury Intense Retractable Lip Liner in the color Brown. This is the Morphe Mega Matte lipstick in the color Boy Toy. For gloss, I'm using Fenty Beauty's Hot Chocolate Lip Gloss, which is one of my new favorite nude lippies. So this is how the final look came out, and honestly guys, clip-ins are an easy way to add some color to your hair without actually dyeing your natural hair. And thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and I hope you guys enjoyed this look.
Princess Reese.